Hi there guys, so we've all experienced a puncture on the trails, and this is how you can inflate your tire. So let's quickly deflate this guy. See, there's no air. Okay, to inflate this tire we're going to use a CO2 canister and a tap. So this one's quite nice, it's got like a little the top turns on it, so that can regulate the airflow. And this is the CO2 canister, which you puncture on the top by screwing that on. By turning that on, I've punctured the CO2 canister and this is charged now. Okay, so this is a tubeless tire. Make sure this valve is open. Normally if you get a puncture, it's going to puncture through the wall of the carcass of the tire, and this will be closed, so make sure that it's open or this won't work. So put this on top of the valve, open the tap. Without damaging the valve, take this off, put it off straight and close the valve up. Are you ready to go? Important note is when you get home, some sealants don't like CO2. They work better with normal air. So deflate this and inflate with normal air with the normal foot pump.